Breaking: JP Morgan just launched its token on a public blockchain, while Circle stock skyrockets 34% in a single day. Meanwhile, Israeli hackers expose Iran's largest crypto exchange by destroying $90 million in assets. This unprecedented convergence of institutional adoption and digital warfare is reshaping the entire crypto landscape right before our eyes. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this is your Crypto Pulse update. Hey everyone, Alex here from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse flash update. We've got some major market developments to cover today, from Wall Street giants embracing blockchain to geopolitical tensions playing out on-chain. Let's dive right into what's happening. Let's start with a quick market snapshot. Bitcoin is holding strong above $104,000, currently trading at $104,711 with minimal change over the past 24 hours. Ethereum is essentially flat at $2,518, while XRP is up slightly at $2.16. The overall market has shown remarkable resilience despite escalating tensions between Israel and Iran, with Bitcoin dominance sitting at 64.7% and the total crypto market cap at $3.24 trillion. What's really interesting is the sector performance, with Layer 1 protocols surging over 20% in the past 24 hours, while ICM and Launchpads are up 8.3% and 11.7% respectively. This suggests investors are rotating into infrastructure plays amid the geopolitical uncertainty. Now let's talk about what might be the biggest story today. Circle's stock has absolutely exploded, surging 34% to reach $200 per share. This brings its total gains to an astonishing 540% since its IPO just 2 weeks ago. This massive rally follows the Senate's landmark passage of the Genius Act with a strong bipartisan vote of 68-30. This legislation creates the first comprehensive federal framework for stablecoin regulation in the United States. The market's reaction tells us everything we need to know about the importance of regulatory clarity. Circle's market cap has now ballooned to over $45 billion, validating the stablecoin business model in the eyes of traditional finance. In a move that would have seemed unimaginable just a few years ago, banking giant JP Morgan has officially launched its JPMD token on Coinbase's base blockchain. This isn't just another stablecoin. JPMD represents actual dollar deposits held in JP Morgan bank accounts, effectively bridging traditional banking with public blockchain infrastructure for the first time. The significance of this cannot be overstated. We're witnessing the first major U.S. bank issuing tokenized deposits on a public blockchain rather than a private network, potentially bringing trillions of dollars one click away from on-chain deployment. On a more concerning note, the escalating conflict between Israel and Iran has spilled into the crypto domain in a major way. Israeli hacktivists from a group called Predatory Sparrow have successfully attacked Nobitex, Iran's largest crypto exchange, destroying approximately $90 million in assets and publishing the exchange's complete source code. What makes this attack particularly notable is that the funds weren't stolen in the traditional sense. They were sent to inaccessible wallets with anti-IRGC messages, essentially being destroyed as a political statement rather than for profit. This represents a new era of digital warfare where blockchain infrastructure becomes a strategic battleground for geopolitical conflicts. Beyond JP Morgan's move, we're seeing accelerating institutional adoption across the board. Lion Group has raised $600 million specifically to create a hyperliquid treasury, while Semler Scientific has appointed a Bitcoin strategy director with ambitious plans to hold 105,000 BTC by 2027. This comes as Trump has delayed his decision on military action against Iran for 2 weeks, despite approving strike plans, creating a complex backdrop for the market. What's remarkable is how the crypto market has demonstrated resilience during this period of uncertainty, suggesting institutional conviction now outweighs geopolitical concerns. That's your Crypto Pulse flash update for today. The convergence of Wall Street adoption and digital warfare creates both unprecedented opportunities and risks in this rapidly evolving landscape. If you found this update valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications to stay informed with our twice-daily updates. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours for our next Crypto Pulse.